I'm Dr. Andre Brown. I'm an assistant professor here at Lewis and Clark College and also the co-director of Affinity Counseling Group in New Jersey. The Liberation-Based Healing Conference is a conference that I was a part of the planning committee about 6 or 7 years ago, and it started in New Jersey with the Institute of Family Services, which is headed by Dr. Rhea Almeida, and Affinity Counseling Group, which is my agency that I co-direct with Lisa Dressner. And part of the vision was for us as two agencies who were involved in a lot of social services, social justice, liberatory healing practices, to begin to utilize our platform of clinical work and community activism to engage other scholars, researchers, community people, community members to join that and then create a network of support. What liberation-based healing is really not only looking at people not only as individuals, but as members of a larger community. This year's conference is going to be held in Perth Amboy, New Jersey. It's October 21st and 22nd.
I'm Pastor Cliff Chappelle. I'm the pastor of the St. John's All Nations Church of God in Christ in North Portland. I got involved with the Liberation-Based Healing Conference because I was already somewhat doing some work with men, and with we had a seminar at our church, and you came and did a seminar on mental health. Mm-hmm. And that really touched me deeply, really inspired me. And to see especially the response from the audience during that seminar. And I realized that there really is a need here for that kind of involvement, that kind of training, just to raise awareness and the consciousness of the people in the church.
You know, I think in the wake of what we're dealing with, just politically, economically, with the number of families that are struggling for health care, for mental health care, for just basic living, I think this model, a liberation healing perspective, has tremendous social capital to move us in terms of serving more families and also training therapists to work across multiple dimensions of problems and not specializing in just domestic violence or just substance abuse, but being able to handle all kinds of problems with all families.
But what's your broad and specific goal of this conference as a whole?
It's really to change the way we're training therapists. That's been our goal all along, because the way we're training therapists is not the way we should be going. We've really commodified therapy in ways that are really not healthy for therapists, but it's not in the best interest of clients either.
Invited other church leaders in, and some of the church leaders came in, and now they have raised their awareness, and now they are becoming involved in identifying and working against the domestic violence.
Can you tell us a little bit about the LEAP project, or the Leap of Faith project?
LEAP stands for Leadership Empowerment Action Project. The LEAP project, from the Liberation-Based Healing Conference, we designated July of 2010 as Domestic Violence Intervention Month. That month of intervention, domestic violence intervention, came the LEAP. And all of our Sunday services, all of our Bible studies, all of our, and then on Saturday we had 2 seminars to provide training and leadership to begin to bring together the faith community. And we're seeing some results. That month of domestic violence intervention, not only did it raise my awareness, but it raised the awareness and the consciousness of the parishioners in the church. And throughout the month, one of the things that we continue to stress is that now that you are aware, you become an activist.